industrial ceiling fan.
We're back at this
spinner.
dry
It
cleaner
has
with
3
this.
wood blades. This is a rare model of the Golden fan.
The control
got a dry
is
cleaner here.
all over
Montreal.
there.
So I'll get under it. Blows a good amount of air. This is a
Control
classic look here.
Oh,
Oh man, I wish my camera could focus here. Oh, thank you. There we go. Yeah. Where's the control?
It's back there above the light.
Above which?
yeah, sure.
Above which light?
He's gonna stop it.
Oh, there it is, right there. I wonder if I can just.
Picture the control.
There's the control. I got it right.
No, but you can come here.
Oh, I can
Oh,
see
yeah.
You can come
Yeah,
back.
yeah, don't worry about it.
Okay, yeah.
The same price. Charge you the same price. Just kidding. Okay.
All right. Take a picture right here.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Control from the 80s.
Yeah. Oh, it's a Vanville solid state control.
Oh, it's Banville.
Here's the control. It's not a band film.
The owner was mine.
Oh, the owner even turned it off. We can get a.
Oh gosh, they're playing copyright.
Oh yeah. Okay. I better just talk. So, yeah, there it is.
So I
right
don't know if
there.
they can turn it on high, but if they do, that thing is an absolute
Oh yes.
windstorm.
Oh yeah.
It is.
Oh,
Yeah.
what do you want? That one too?
No, that one. Turn it on high. That fan.
Okay, but you want to do that? I don't know how
No.
that one. That's a wind tunnel.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is how it looks with 3 blades. It's spinning down. Yeah,
Yep.
turn it on high.
On high.
I
High
Alright,
speed.
He's gonna do it.
He's actually doing it. All right, I'm just gonna let it speed up first,
Honestly,
and then I'm gonna get right under it.
This striking is so hot.
Oh, is this full high? Oh yeah, I feel a lot of air from it.
This thing blows a lot of air.
That's my disappointing pictures, please.
There's how it looks like from under. Seen a picture like this.
This is pretty powerful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have one of these one day.
This is something that could go in a museum actually.
Yeah, I definitely
remember,
think this is a museum.
Metal Pete, Metal Pete wanted this at the museum, but
Yeah.
first of all, I'll have to get it, and I'm not even sure if I'll
Yeah,
get
Metal
it.
Pete was wanting it in the museum.
But they don't want to get rid of them.
Yeah, they don't want to get rid of it.
Yeah, this is
Unless you find another one of these like on Kijiji or Marketplace, then you can use it for the museum.
Yeah, I mean,
So this is full high.
this is high speed.
Go faster, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah. Again, I want to get that look.
I mean, it's pretty good, but for some reason I imagine
There's a top.
Oh yeah. There's a top shot here. Okay, that's.
There's also this Canarm high velocity fan.
Oh, there's a Canarm high velocity fan here. Seen a lot of these. Alright.
Alright, I think that's it. So,
Alright, I think that'll be it.
hope you guys enjoyed this
Hope you
video.
guys enjoyed.
Thanks for watching.
Remember to comment. Oh, you guys are doing a demo now? Oh, I didn't start a demo? Okay.
I don't know.
Can you turn it back to low? I wanted to do a demo as well.
Oh well.
Try to make it quite okay. We got low. Okay, is this fully at low now?
Ryan is demonstrating the fan over there.
So is this full low speed now? I can start now. All right, guys. So we're actually going to do a
Just
quick
increase
demo
the
of this. It's a Fan King actually. Brian is with the control over there.
Yeah,
This
basically
is
a
low
golden
speed.
fan.
We're gonna go through speeds here. Just gonna make this demo quick.
Yeah, turn it up. Like gradually, yeah.
That was a quarter turn out. Now there's another quarter turn out. This is where we're gonna.
Is that full speed?
No, but that's what how the guy wants it left.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
it is.
I wanted to show it on full high speed.
Yeah, that is.
You already did show it on full high speed, didn't you?
Oh, is that full speed right there?
It's not, but you already showed it on full speed, didn't you?
No.
Alright, he's got it. Never mind.
I did. Oh, he turned it on full speed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a high speed here. Let me just show it back like that.
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Alright, let's go under it. Wow, it blows a lot of air. This thing is a good air mover. Yeah. It wobbles a bit even, you can't tell on camera.
Alright, I'm gonna stop the
But
video.
yeah, anyways,
Thanks
that-
for watching.
that is it.